For this episode, I'll be reviewing an album from a spiritual homie from New Jersey called ReAnimix 2000. And yes, that name definitely suits him. This album is called Sounds of the Great Ones. ReAnimix 2000 first debut was its official release back in 2001, but he's been rocking since 95. He does a lot for his community and is an elementary school teacher. And big ups to him for that, dude. Man, this lineup is gonna speak for itself, man. We got the Artifacts, Cellar Dwellers, Shabam Sadiq, Ninth Prince, Inspector Deck, and many, many, many more. So check it out. Thanks for tuning in to ReAnimix Reviews, where we give an unbiased approach to reviewing indie music. Sounds of the Great Ones is today's review. And again and again and again, my friends, we got Remo. So of course, replayability, engineering, musicality, and overall enjoyment with a 10 out of 10 rating scale for each. We then take the average of those four scores for the overall score. I want to first apologize for some of the scenes in the video. It's a little out of focus. The focus got messed up on there a few times, but I didn't want to re-record it because I wanted my first listen to be very, very genuine. And you might see some shots of me getting annoyed with the drivers. They were ultra annoying that day. But you know what? They didn't ruin my experience because this project helped me get through all of that. I hope you guys don't mind, but hey, you getting the real. So without further ado, let's get to the replayability category. Replayability. They had me at the scratching for real. This is one of those projects that's an official hip-hop experience all the way through. You can tell a lot of effort was put into this too. A lot of schedule flipping, a lot of last touches, and all that. You'll be nodding your head the whole time, sometimes without even knowing. Stand up! For replayability, 10 out of 10, dog. 10 out of 10. Engineering. I think the engineer must really love drums. I love the drums so far. The engineering for those drums were just on point. You can just feel the drums so much in this album. Remember that. Because every raindrop kills a brain cell. Everything was pretty pristine and professional for sure. I only had noticed one small thing, where in some of the tracks the vocals needed a slight beefing up a little bit. A little mid-low to give those vocals just a little bit more girth. But that's just me being me, though. I mean, it wasn't really that bad. I can still hear everything clearly either way. I think the vocals need to be popped out just a little bit. Not that much, just a little bit. Or maybe add a little mid-low. Love the way they engineer the singing vocals for sure. So spread out. 9.9 out of 10. Yeah, these vocals got a little bit more girth to them and sit over the beat. Check it out, yo. My fourth tour to the battlefield. Musicality. Those drums, though. Some great musically inspired samples and vibes on this project, too. Everybody's repping the force to get a harder buzz. Open like the
there were some tracks that if you're really paying attention to the bass line, you'll notice that they needed to be tuned down a couple semitones.
I think it needs to be tuned a little bit.
That's only because I love bass lines, so I instantly pick up on stuff like that. But I still think everything was dope in spite of.
Yeah, it's not the right tone, but yeah, I think it just needs to be tuned.
The experience was amazing, and it makes you want to stand in your b-boy stance for sure. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. And I didn't ding you for the vocals, I dinged you for some of the bass lines.
Here we go, check it out. Yo, heaven's here, the status is legendary. I let it blast, I don't need to bring a weapon here. Sound bit severe, watch it alter the process. Call me a monster when I surface like a Loch Ness. Melt the mic down like candy in your pockets. I pick up
Overall enjoyment. I'm being really, really real right now. This album puts me in the vibe of when I first listened to Gang Starr's Hard to Earn and Moment of Truth. Real talk. It's so revitalizing.
And anyway, our father didn't even want to.
I love to hear a female voice, man. A sister voice, like an elder sister voice. For some reason, I like to hear that kind of voice. It's soothing to me.
It's always fun to watch the footage while I'm writing these reviews because I'm vibing. And even as you can see, I had to make a stop, but it was so hard to pause the experience.
Dang, man, okay. I gotta make a stop. It was hard to turn it off. I'll be right back, though.
Them drums, though. I could tell you embrace your roots, man. I literally had a moment when I was vibing so much that I had to come back to reality.
Man, I was straight vibing to this joint, man. Forgot where I was for a minute, man. For real. Forgot where I was for a minute with this one, man.
And no, the features aren't lifted acapellas in no way, shape, or form. Those are the real cats you hear on there, dude. So overall enjoyment, 10 out of 10. Special acknowledgements.
Special acknowledgements, you already know what it is. We just take this time to shout out the tracks that stood out to us. Introduction, No Things, Hot Damn. Do you recognize that? Homecoming, Rock the Bells, 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 Bells. Yeah, man, that joint right there, though. My Grandma, Products of Environment, Marvelous, Make Your Speakers Pop. Man, this one, I think this is my ultimate favorite. My ultimate top track. Psalm 76, and it's over. Yup. I shouted out the whole album. Yup. So there you have it, man. 9.48 out of 10. Like I said, man, dope experience. This joint is purely official, like official for real. From the start of the introduction, which I really dug, to the point where it's over. It's one of those albums that probably should have been nominated for a Grammy because, you know, that's as official as it gets, right? But yeah, man, awesome experience. Yeah, I had to ding it for the bassline tuning issues I heard. But all in all, worthy of going adamantium. I'm not even gonna say you can. You should and you will. Go to Bandcamp and check this out. Links in the description right here. Have any of you heard this? What did you think about it? What do you think of this review? Tell us what you think in the comments, like, and share. So again, thanks for watching ReAnimix Reviews. Tune in next time. Peace. Every raindrop kills a brain cell. Remember that. Remember that. Yeah, I remember that. remember that. Because every raindrop kills a brain cell. Remember that. I remember that.
Check out last week's episode, or if you want, you can check out ReAnimix TV, which is a locally syndicated TV show where you can get anime, grassroots music, interviews, videos, and the whole nine. So check it out. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to get more updates on our developments. Peace.